I hate wasting time. You hate wasting time. Subtitles take a lot of time to make. I'm gonna tell you how to make them fast. I'm gonna tell you how to make them nice. I also learned a brand new technique that I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Okay, now don't forget why subtitles exist in the first place, brother man. The first point is to have them be readable above all. You got all these flashy colors, all these nice zooms, giving me seizures and shit, but can you read them? 10% of the population needs subtitles, but everyone benefits from it. So you're watching a YouTube video while your friend is yelling playing Fortnite in the background. Perfect time to get those subtitles in so you can still get your message across. Basic bitch subtitle foundation. White text, black stroke, it works. Look at the masterpiece of a movie that's Who Killed Captain Alex. Same for me. It's the classic meme font structure for a reason. Because it can be read on anything, no matter what the fuck is going on in the background. It doesn't have to be a stroke effect. You can put like a drop shadow in the background to make it a little bit more special. Whether it being a soft shadow or a hard one. You know, one of my favorite music videos, Moon Underwater by Puma Blue, they just have a yellow text over the entire video. And it just works if you look at the overall aesthetic of the video. You know, it's all blue, all these colors that don't really... A lot goes into subtitles, including the font. There are a million, billion, cajillion fonts out there, bro. I'm not saying you have to know the difference between Libra, Franklin, and Inter, but the font is another part of your identity, you know? It's part of your brand. People see this font, they know it's you. People see this font, they know it's me. Google Fonts offers hundreds of free fonts for commercial use, so that's a good place to start. You can go on DaFont and find some good shit, but make sure that it's free for commercial use. A lot of fonts on DaFont is actually free for personal use. If you're making money off of it, they're gonna want a piece of their pie, you know what I'm saying? Technically, if they found out you were using their font without a license, they could sue you for copyright, take your house, take your kids, and your refrigerator. Technically. But it's very uncommon, but technically. Keep it simple. I know you can get lost in the sauce and find some weird cursive shit you like, but the main point, be readable. All in all though, the main reason I wanted to make the tutorial is because I found a brand new technique to subtitle really fast, okay? Let me show you a little something. I'll start off with a fairly known strategy, censoring your text. You don't know it? This shit right here will save you so much fucking time, man. As long as you press this censor button, you can type in some subtitles, cut it, erase everything, and the text will stay at the exact same center position, so you don't have to keep repositioning your subtitles. But I found something to even extend upon that, bro. Listen, cut it after positioning and centering my text. What I do instead is type way ahead. Like, I'll type a whole paragraph of the upcoming subtitles that I'm supposed to cut up. I cut them up to sync with the sentences that are happening, and then I remove all the text besides that piece of subtitles that I want to show. Then I go to each clip and do the same thing with the corresponding text. It seems to work slightly faster if I do it this way. That's it for this vid. Fucking subscribe or you get a bag of coal for Christmas. You're doing a good job and your hair looks nice. You're doing perfect out there, fam. You're doing great. Don't you worry about a fucking thing, man. It's all gonna be okay eventually.